Have you ever heard of a pre-owned car dealership in the whole of the UAE that when you buy a car, you always get a 2-year warranty?
Yeah, there's only one.
Approved!
Unlimited number of claims with no claim limit.
With 24/7 roadside assistance.
Our cars come with 2-year warranty, which can be extended to 3 years should you require.
On top of that, we offer 3-year service contract. With or without brakes.
And the best thing is that your warranty is transferable to the next owner. Here's your warranty, and here's your keys.
Finally, all our warranties and service contracts are independently administered.
That's right, we are so confident in any of the vehicles we have for sale that we give this 2-year warranty and will stand behind them each and every time. Approved!